Welcome to a transformative journey with Dr. Andrew Huberman, where science meets self-improvement. In this video, Dr. Huberman delves into powerful tools for stress modulation, enhanced focus, and better sleep. Get ready to unlock your brain's potential and discover the secrets to emotional well-being. Stress is a generic system designed to mobilize various responses in the brain and body. Understanding its biological basis provides tools for effective stress management. Stress is not exclusive to physical threats, it also encompasses psychosocial stressors. The stress response involves a chain of neurons activating acetylcholine and epinephrine release. The stress response is hardwired and generic, designed to activate specific systems while inhibiting others. Real-time tools for controlling stress leverage this biological mechanism. The stress response is a dual mechanism, activating certain systems, like muscles, heart, while inhibiting others, like digestion. Understanding this two-pronged approach is crucial for effective stress management. Stress response activates certain body features and suppresses others, leading to a sense of agitation and a bias toward movement or speech. To reduce stress quickly, activate the parasympathetic nervous system through tools like the physiological sigh, inhale longer, exhale more vigorously. The physiological sigh, a double inhale-exhale, is a fast and effective tool grounded in physiology and neuroscience to calm down in real time. Control your heart rate by adjusting the length and vigor of your inhales and exhales, with longer exhales promoting relaxation and stress reduction. The physiological sigh, when done 1 to 3 times, rapidly reduces stress by reinflating lung sacs and eliminating excess carbon dioxide from the bloodstream. Note that using exhale-emphasized breathing may take 20 to 30 seconds to reduce heart rate, and repeating the physiological sigh may be necessary. Nasal breathing has various advantages over mouth breathing, impacting cosmetic features, infection prevention, etc. The physiological sigh, involving double inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, activates the parafacial nucleus, promoting clear speech, jaw relaxation, and overall relaxation. Stress is discussed on 3 timescales: short-term, medium-term, and long-term, emphasizing its impact on emotions and coping mechanisms. Acute stress, when the stress response hits, can be beneficial for the immune system, combating bacterial or viral infections. Rapid deliberate breathing, like in Wim Hof breathing, can artificially activate the stress response, releasing adrenaline to combat infections. A study shows that the Wim Hof breathing protocol helped participants combat the effects of injected endotoxin, indicating the positive role of short-term stress in fighting infections. Short-term stress, acting like a powerful nootropic, enhances focus and cognitive function, making it a valuable tool for productivity. Learning to turn off the stress response is crucial for overall well-being, and tools like the physiological sigh or intentional stress activation should be complemented with the ability to deactivate stress when needed. Medium-term stress, lasting from several days to weeks, challenges stress thresholds, emphasizing the importance of cognitive re-regulation and stress management. There's a syndrome where people feel disconnected from their limbs, leading them to seek amputation, related to changes in central maps in the brain. Managing medium-term stress involves raising stress threshold through tools that modulate adrenaline, like deliberate exposure to situations that increase adrenaline, followed by cognitive and emotional calming. Learning to relax the mind while the body is highly activated, like intense exercise, can raise stress threshold and make overwhelming situations feel more manageable. Deliberately dilating your gaze during high-intensity physical activity helps relax the mind while the body is in a heightened state of activation, contributing to stress threshold elevation. Social connection, various forms of attachment, human or non-human, and experiences of delight are powerful tools to mitigate the long-term negative effects of chronic stress. Chronic long-term stress is harmful, and maintaining a healthy relationship with stress involves not only real-time tools but also investing in social connections, exercise, good sleep, and moments of delight. Chronic stress negatively impacts health, and the best tools to modulate long-term stress include not only exercise and good sleep but also social connection, which has positive effects on neuromodulators like serotonin. Prolonged social isolation increases the release of tachykinin, a molecule associated with fear, paranoia, and immune system impairment. Regular social connections suppress tachykinin and contribute to overall well-being. Recognizing and cultivating feelings of comfort, trust, bliss, and delight can positively impact the serotonin system, working on faster timescales than oxytocin. Various factors impact well-being and help modulate long-term stress, including diet, exercise, sleep, and social connections. Non-prescription compounds like ashwagandha, L-theanine, and melatonin can modulate the stress system and provide relief from chronic stress. Check examine.com for supplement information. Melatonin, while aiding sleep, is not recommended for supplementation at high doses due to potential negative effects on reproductive hormones and adrenal function. The concept of adrenal burnout is debunked. Instead, there's adrenal insufficiency syndrome. Melatonin at high levels may cause pseudoadrenal insufficiency syndrome. L-theanine, when safe, can enhance sleep quality and has stress-reducing effects, supported by studies listed on examine.com. Ashwagandha can lower anxiety and cortisol levels, potentially benefiting those facing stress. Dosages and effects can be found on examine.com. Understanding and controlling stress is crucial for emotional well-being. Emotions are context-dependent, and internal states matching external demands contribute to feeling good or bad. Modulating the stress response in real time is key to being responsive rather than reactive in various situations, improving the ability to navigate life effectively. Mindfulness, while helpful for some, may hinder effectiveness for others. The focus is on tools to control the stress response and improve the ability to work, focus, and disengage. Objective physiology forms the basis for stress control, emphasizing tools anchored to neuronal systems for better agency and real control over the internal landscape. The autonomic nervous system, stress modulation, and calming modulation are foundational for emotions like happiness and joy. Whether activated or calm depends on the situation. Tools presented allow adjustment of internal levels of alertness or calmness, enhancing effectiveness in various aspects of life, including sleep, social connection, and work. Controlling reactions to events in the world is within our control, and concrete tools are crucial for real-time trustable modulation. For the full podcast, check out the link in the description.